Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO band and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our band. To do it, simply tap on the screen. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the option called DND. And here we can enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode. To enable it, select the On option, and then you can swipe right on the screen to go back. And now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. You can tell by tapping on the current watch face to open this menu, and this icon right here should be highlighted, as you can see. And to disable the mode, simply open the settings again, tap on DND, tap on Off. You can also enable the Smart option. This option will enable the Do Not Disturb mode automatically when you go to sleep. So if the band detects you're sleeping, it's gonna enable the Do Not Disturb mode. Okay, let's turn it off and then go back. And that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.